Mexican come over, me not see them do the Mexicans them that, you know. Body, you know, might separate them, pick me, you know. But you know, with them, man. I me see people outrage for Mexican kids get separation, you know. Brother, we hear the cries for the black man, you know. But we don't see the outrage, you know. That's an outrageous act, you know. That's a travel.
Them not care. Them not care about our cry. That's why I say black man have to focus on their money and stop free the distraction. Yo, me divorce and divorce never derail my life. You know why? A European create marriage and divorces, you know. And them create love, you know. Love is a big marketing thing, you know. Brother, love not real, you know. It's all about connection, you know, brother. If me and you connected, you know, brother. Alright. I know love me, love my brother when my brother do a crime and me accept my brother same way, you know. My brother connected to me. Me can't cut off my brother. Me and my brother grew up, bond, live together. I know love because then me can learn to hate him. Me can't learn to hate my brother. It works so. So that me I try to show you. I just lie for you realize, alright, so somebody want to break the connection with you. You're going to derail your life now. I no focus. I go turn pauper. Go turn poor all of you file bankruptcy. Live life tough. No, sir. Man, have to get ahead, brother. In every way. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, dog. Man, have to get